Even if your business handles a high volume of contracts, you might not have a good system of managing them. Too often, contracts live as attachments in someone's inbox, or they're stored across different shared drives. This kind of works until you need to consult an agreement, check on upcoming renewals, or cancel a contract. An AI agent helps you store, organize, and reference contracts across your company quickly and easily. You can set up automated alerts for when a contract is expiring, or use AI to ask for information without having to hunt it down yourself. Here's how it works. Forward contract PDFs to an email, like contracts at your company, or upload them directly to the agent. The agent then extracts all key data about the contract, creating a central place with important dates and information and statuses. From there, you can set up automated alerts for renewals. This can come through Slack, email, Microsoft Teams, or wherever you need. You can ask questions about contracts without having to read multiple pages of legal terms, and much, much more. Simplify and take control of your company's contracts today. Get your agent at glideapps.com/contract agent.